Warning, this game contains jump scares, flashing lights, and even loud noises. Night 1. Uy. Objective, check out computer. O, dito, open. Ayun yung computer sa loob. Okay. Nandito. Ayun yung computer. Sabi ko na nga eh.
Welcome everybody to the night shift of your job.
Okay, hello, welcome. Thank you.
Before you begin, you'll need to learn how to prepare sandwiches.
Uy, sandwiches.
First things first, head outside to the counter and grab some bread.
Okay, where's the bread? Here?
Next, take 3 ingredients for your sandwich.
Oh, here you go. I want some cheese. Bang. And then, hey, let me take tomatoes. I want that.
If there were a customer now, you would have it.
Wait, hindi, ano lang, random na pipilitin natin? Hindi. Oh. Throwaway sandwich. Where, asan? Ito ba yun? Yeah. Yeah, nag-run out.
Just head into the back room and grab the right box.
Ito, ham. May ham tayo, di ba? Ito. Ay, may ham. Ito yun, cheese. Okay, mali. Okay, check out the computer.
Quick heads up. This one's kind of weird. Sometimes the door in the kitchen will start opening slowly, like
Ito ba yun?
that's normal. Well, not normal, but expected.
That's normal, pero hindi normal. Ano ka?
As you can, okay?
Okay,
You
sige.
don't want it to open all the way.
Turn on the open light. What the heck? Sino to? Wait, what? Sino to? I don't know who this guy is, but what the heck? Hold up, how would you know if there is, make sure the kitchen door is closed. No employee yet. Employee of the month. Galing. Thanks, I'm out. Ang ginawa mo? Boy, di natin kailangang buksan yung kitchen door. What the heck? May jump button tayo dito ah. Ayun oh. Oh, di ba? Di ba? Galing. Oh, ito yung normal. Can you have a sandwich with onions and tomatoes? Okay, onions, tomatoes. Alright, that should be good. Oh wait, wrong order. There's no ham. There you go. Cheers, see ya. Alright, see ya.
A few moments later.
I'll have a sandwich with cheese and tomatoes. Wait, paano natin malala? Ano to, parang doppelganger game? Something? Okay. That's a big sandwich. Pwede tayong pumunta dito. Ang galing. Pwede oh. Oh my god. Give me a sandwich with onions and tomato and lettuces. Okay, ba't mo wala bang ano to? Like, doppelgangers? Ganun? Like, yun yung doon ako nagagandahan eh. When it comes to sa mga ganito, yung double upgrade. Ayun, may tumatawag. Ayun, pick up the phone. Hello?
Oh, hey, small favor. Totally forgot something. My bad.
Okay, sige. Conveniently forgot.
Earlier.
Buisit na yan. Ako po.
Did you go ahead and do that for me?
Oo. Okay.
Just outside, behind the store in the parking lot. It'll only take a second. Nothing to worry about.
Ito ba yan? Asan yun?
Don't stay out there too long, okay?
Okay, asan? Alright, I got the trash. The dumpster is right over there. Alright, I'm going. Yeah, I'm hearing something. Close. Whip! Ba't ako natakot sa'yo? Pwede na pala ako mag-chat. Oh my god. Pwede na ako mag-chat. Oh my god. Ah! 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 Saraduin mo! Saraduin mo! Uy, blow up naman to. Yes! Honestly, I don't even care about employee of the month. I just need to survive this thing. What the heck? Wait, what? Ano yun? Uy, si Batman! Eh, ba't ganyan yung boses mo? What the heck? Hello?
I've got a delivery here for you. Tried the front door, but no one answered.
Wait, what? No one answered? What do you mean?
Didn't want to leave it.
Hoy! 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 Teka, hoy! Hoy! Pinagsaluduhan mo ako, ah.
Or someone else.
Ayan. Wait, what? Ah, si, ano, ito, Eskinita. Oh my god.
Magpapuntay ng store.
Boy, samahan mo na ako. Samahan mo na ako. Samahan mo na ako.
Store.
Samahan mo na ako.
At tuwarap mo naman.
Duwarog, what the heck? Paano hindi magiging duwarog eh? May nakita nga naka ano daw, what the heck? Hello. Ah! Sabi ko na nga eh.
Bilisan mo, bilisan mo.
Bilis, tagbo. Hey, this is my old skin. Nice one. Okay, eto ba yun? Okay, good. Buti naman, dito nagbubukas. Turn off. Okay, sige. So far, walang doppelganger, ang galing. Go home.
Close the door.
Okay.
Kalala.
Okay, ayun yung, eto tayo.
Night 2.
Night 2? Every night, may tatawag sa atin.
Siguro.
Oo nga, yun yung sabi. Alright.
Makakapasok po sila.
Di natin alam. Alright, play. Here.
Oh, this one's a little weird, but it's probably nothing. Sometimes the customer might call you by your name.
Ayun, okay, sige.
You don't give that information out.
Okay, sige.
Just don't serve them, okay?
Okay, paano gagawin namin?
Pretend you didn't hear them.
We're not gonna mind them. We're gonna ignore them.
Sandwich.
Yeah, they're here for our meat. They're here for your meat.
Tayo.
Alright, I got it. We're just not gonna mind them, okay? Ano ba yan? Hey, it automatically opens. Okay, I did not open that, I swear. Wala tayong kamatis. Galing.
Ako na magaling repeat.
Uy, may
Nakuha ko, ham. Nakuha ko eh.
Ba't may Uzi dito? Bang! Cheers. See ya. May delivery ba sa likod? Okay, wala. Putik na yan. Ba't mo sinarado? Wala. Kapag may barilan sa sarado, di kita papayagan maging gunman. What the heck? Ako sa'yo, nabinali mo yung sound.
Uy, balang mo pa.
Uy, malapiton! Ay, malapiton! Malapiton! Alright, take it easy. Wait, yung brightness ko, hindi nakataas. Yan.
Thin air.
Ang lag. Sobrang wala nang dine in sa res. Uy!
Yun o.
Doppelganger yan! Doppelganger yan!
Broken gamay yun.
That's a doppelganger. I did not even call your name, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, didn't even call your name, my guy.
Ay. Hindi na kaya.
Boy, hanggang night 2 muna, what the heck? Hahabay recording natin kapag umabot ng night 5. Alright. Let's share the 24/7. Wait, 24/7? What the heck? Eh, ba tayo nagsasara? Sa langit may sky. Hoy, tumagos! What the heck? Wala na tayong, kailangan natin mag-restock.
Banana.
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 Uy, buwisit na yun. Di tayo nagre-restock. What the heck?
Banana. Banana.
Wow! Oh, hindi. Normal lang pala yun. Akala ko ano. Yan. Everything that has breath, praise the Lord. Wait, what? Ayoko na. What the heck? Ay, ayun! Uy! Ayun!
Kuha ko ng banana.
Oh, kumuha ako ng banana.
Paglagay ka ng banana.
Okay.
Ay, linggo yan, oh.
That's just a random car. Weird. It just stopped. Ah! Go! Bilis! Sarado yun. Bang, there you go. All goods, Brody. Uy, that's a detective.
Pakiramdaman ko dyan. Pakiramdaman ko dyan.
That's not a doppelganger.
Sa'yo.
That's not a doppelganger, right?
May toilet. Bye. Once na, huwag ka na bumalik.
Thank you, come again. Nakalimutan ko yun.
Doon, pamagin. Doon, pamagin. Doon, pamagin.
Uy, pasok. Oh! Okay. Okay, sige, laro na muna tayo, boy. Bye-bye. Laro muna tayo. Guys, we have our first doppelganger. Sorry, boy, CR muna kami. CR muna kami, ha. CR muna kami. Bye-bye. CR muna kami. Okay, wala na siya. Okay, good. Ah! Putik na yan. Dek. Alright. Bye-bye.
Huwag ka na bumalik.
Okay, thank you. Come again. Sige, nagutom tuloy ako.
Never come again.
Okay, thank you. Come again. Have a great day as well. CR mo na ako, ah. Whoa! Repair the power box behind the shop. Okay, sige. Tara. Huwag kang KJ. Hindi. We got some flickering lights. Whoa! Let's start. Dali. Okay, sige. Okay, wow! Di ka natutut.
Pag-ilaw ng ipin, tignan.
Di ka natututbrush. Run, crying Johnny. Up! There you go.
Thank you, bye.
Thank you, come again. Love you. Okay, goodbye. Alright, di natin alam kung ano mang... Okay, let's go. Boy, end na natin yung video, ah. End na natin yung video. Wait lang, last night, tinan mo, 31 minutes ako nagre-record with Dek.
Okay mo. Yung sa mag-yes niya ay 41.
Fine. Tara.
Okay.
Ito na yung last night.
Hey, this one's kind of gross. Sorry in advance.
Always laughing.
You might notice fingerprints showing up on the front window sometimes.
Oh.
Yeah, what will happen?
Just wipe them off as soon as you see them. Quickly.
Quick!
Okay.
Okay, sure.
Don't let it build up.
Okay.
It means something has been standing there for a while.
Okay.
Okay.
Turn on the open. Alright, I got it. Oh no. Whoa! Who is this guy? Wait lang, boy. Napatay ko yung...
Napaka-block naman nito.
Napatay ko yung wifi ko at Dek. Sige, sure. Hindi, malay mo, doppelganger yan. Ayoko malaman. Oh my god, who is this random person? Close. Who is this guy?
Uy, kilala ko yan.
Oh, it's your friend. Boy, stop chatting random things in the chat. What the heck? Boy, eto yung dahilan kaya madidemonetize ako. Since kilala mo yan, ikaw mag-serve.
Nagsuot ko na 14 times.
Pwede ako mag-edit ng thumbnail sa CapCut. May ano dun free BG remover. Yo! It's your cousin! It's your old skin.
All the count.
Ikaw mag-serve niyan. Since old account mo yan, ikaw mag-serve.
Okay. Tomato.
Alright, thank you. Come again.
Come again.
One crying Johnny.
I'm crying, son.
Okay, maybe it's the way you dress. I love that meme so much. Maybe it's the way you dress. Wait, what? There's something. Wait. Who is this guy? Sino to? I'll take a sandwich with onions and lettuce. So far wala tayong so far wala tayong doppelganger ngayon. Alright, there you go. Uy, sino nagbukas niyan? Uy, may pulis!
Asan yung police? Akro police. I want a sandwich.
And tomato cheese. May pulis.
Akro police.
Acropolis. Please give us some pills. Alright. You got it, sir?
Ikaw ba bumukas kanina?
Lamang dito, print.
Uy, nag-back out ako.
Hindi, okay lang yan.
Bakit lang mo? Ano ba yun?
Ayan na naman. Takbuhan ulit.
Uy. Takbo.
Wala yan. Wala yan. Okay, wala yan. Ha! Nagulat ako sa dumating. Kailangan ko naman pala pakalisin. Wala tumatawag sa atin. Good. Alright. I'm setting up this banana peel everywhere. Everywhere you go. Okay, may lang ba? I want.
Tomato with the cheese.
Wala yan. Homer. Sorry po.
The main expansion.
Sino nagbubukas nito? What the heck? Sino nagbubukas niyan?
Ewan ko. Kita ko ba din eh?
Sino nagbubukas ba niyan? Tingnan natin. Wow! Wipe! Uy, tulungan mo ako. Okay, may nagbubukas nga ng pintuan. Sino nagbubukas? Sino nagbubukas niyan? What the heck? Uy! Dito ako. Sige, muna ako dito. Hindi mo kaya. Dito, dadas. Ano ba? Buti naman. Buti nga sa'yo. Wow, this guy is sus. What the heck is this guy? Sino nga nagbubukas nito? What the heck?
Nagbubukas ba?
May nagbubukas. Oh, what the heck? Wow, ang galing. Wow! La! Hoy! Uy, teka, uy! Uy!
Bakit?
Wait lang nga eh. May na tayo. May susubukan ako. May susubukan ako. May susubukan. Kaya pala eh. Kaya pala eh. Oh my God. Ay, nagutom tuloy ako. Ano na naman yung kumag na? Ay, bathroom! Stop the water flow. Press. Ayan, turn off. Sasagot. Oh, may isa pa. May isa pa. Yan.
Oo na.
Boy, what the heck? Sinisinok na ako. Hey, nice one. Last night. Woo! Let's go, baby! Alright guys, sana mag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. Subscribe kayo sa channel ko, channel ng kaibigan ko. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace! Ah! Wait, what? Wait, what? Asan tayo? What a good way to start the outro. Asan tayo? Asan tayo? Oh my God. Okay, sige.